go inside. What do you think I go marry for? Eh? You think I go marry for Kawachi first? I wish I go marry him any minute, any hour, any second swan for make love to you for green. Don't go inside.
I need a goodie.
I still don't go inside.
I need to do it. Me don't come on sell on that again on that side. Now ask me how they do. All ten for Kale. I need to do.
What's make up for outside? Me said I play, I go play. Now walk up in the room. But I make love to you. You for green. Don't go inside. What's happening? This woman, I'm go marry her. I can't put her on me. Why make love to her? Can't say inside.
But in back for greed.
What make her go marry her for?
I mean they call her mama and daddy business. The mommy for greed and the pa for greed. Before I do am. I tell you, my member will marry if you force Sam for make love to her or for make mama and daddy business. Na rape.
Who's to tell you so?
Na salon law.
Now then go marry her for me.
Na rape. The woman for greed, you back greed now do am. Now una go enjoy. If you force her, you don't enjoy. If you bella na you man, if you bella, people want sleep. If you bella na you man, want sleep here. Bella na you man.
That's it. Abi. It's what you feel for marry. And it's good. What to me? I'll go inside. Abi. I can find something for you.
After. Which side come on? I come on left me, pardon. Which part? Everybody all looking for us too. Another warning for them useless, worthless baba than they. Another warning for them. Go keep big man. We get jeep. We go give me money. We go pull me in this me condition, yeah. This me condition. We go pull me there. Another warning. Me fashion is not a big man. And big man is not a yes, I will keep them for put me in this condition.
Hey, Mama, wait, Sapani. I know they expect you for let you tell this speaking in kind of here. And they expect you say for the advice them how if for land book. Not to how for send and for go to a big man and for let them spoil and mama. Mama, this is not right. And I'll listen. And I'll let them listen to it in this mommy they tell you, you get me. Now, I go bab you. See me now for your better one. I go bab you now. For anybody will go see you, go not see you in school here. You get me? And Mama now listen, this is advice for you. I don't want let they tell this kid and kind talk there. And I make her go baba now. For you say go see I go not say na school girl now you get so kid at school they go. You get me? And this they go for them comrade. There are the beguna. There your style there one they encourage una pikin and what they use for go school. There una tap am. Una learn for the bab them. So when man see they go not say they one a girl pikin the way they go school. Not to school mama they na school girl them. There na me advise this. So if they mistake, the problem when they fail, then go get some. Go back. For you better one. We say they do this. This mommy no know nothing. You don't tell me no part. Go.
What the problem?
What the mommy? It's a old mommy.
Yes, why?
The woman of it so. The mommy. The woman of it fine. The mommy. Hey, this is my friend. Time though it's not for that big girl lunch. But the mommy they are big. We go on big too much now. Forget me. Oh, the mommy. Look remember. You don't put some of it to the man. You good, sweetheart. The mommy, thank you. Look remember I don't give back. You don't put Bobby on. Anyway. Don't give me that, don't give me some.
What's that I see so? What's it you don't start so? Let them not ever be in this compound again, yeah? Or you can even see if you begin to touch your body, touch your waist. Let that so ever be in a hand again. You didn't be in a hand again. What's it meant to go past that so? You can go for easy. That's all that can start. Me pikino, me woman, like me not come. You don't know for you pikin. Who remember? Just shut up. That's all that can begin. Get out of me, come and go. I like it see them. Let's get you again. Not get you now, so now let's wait in that. Can you say again? That's all that can begin. But then they all are the comrade. Do you become the comrade? They give this message to now. No, allow no man. When I turn on a company, they begin play to na pikin and Bobby. Play to waste. Do you? Now the other one they become the comrade. Daddy, no good.
Right, girl, mommy. Wait, you know, wait. I'll tell you go get.
Yeah.
I'll go get for you.
No, but make me go get me until you wait for me when you use the
That one
water.
for you, yeah? I'm get water, so I don't feel that one for you. Can't sit down. Sit down, sit down.
Man, not you.
Sit down, I know it's let me get out outside, you know you no more. Sit down, I'll go get for you, yeah? Mommy, what's that? You got this water. See water cleaner. Yeah, anytime you can, just ask for me. Eh?
Okay. What's your name?
I'm name Lover.
Okay. Thank you.
Come. Come up.
Hey, I break my phone now. You don't give for me the water.
Water is safe. Come. It's safe.
Let me until you wait for me and not me go talk for me.
Mama no dey know that no dey know, eh? Catch me, wait the face. No dey know, no cry. No. Pass. Go so. Make it. Watch me. See this water now, you water. See this hose. No ever can you ever sabi me, hear? Huh? Watch me. You see this? Anytime Kaya, he points me or he can't amuse. I kill you, I kill people. Hear? Mind you, I get this. Take your answer. Make it. Try. Okay, smile as. Okay, try now. Make it. Try. Take that one. No ever pass her again. Never sabi me. Go. See your rota tell you. Let not see her again. No.
What's up when they cry from class and you go get water? No, you forgot. Now blood they come up by you. You they don't put up by you. If you not talk, this rubber they go can like this. They don't begin put up by you. Talk to me. The man, now I put up by you. Go show me the man. I don't count you now so for that man can't call you for nothing. Go show me the man. No nonsense any and take me before. Go show me the man. I'm not pull you up like for them they can't finish. Go show me the man. Now I'm going to post in the ball, not so I'm going to post in the men. Why go pull you up line? Now we know you can't stop when people they suffer. Why can't pull you for nothing for me? Why can't you go there? Go show me the dog. Now they castrate him. Go show me him. Now go castrate him.
talk to me. When you make so, now be not say that pikin. Talk to me now, you read. Because you say can police will go end down. Me ask not the oppo.
I be married, I'm not like you. I be married.
You know which the agent oh. You know which the agent. Don't tell me that you
nothing. I give 500,000 now. Then anything when I for school business.
Right, wait. You never explain me better.
Anything when I for school business, I dey pay. Yeah.
Wait, say that is same thing. Mommy, go out. Go.
Mama, I didn't say no funny.
Hey! Now let me say me lo ale. You were repo. You were cover repo. Una tu no come the same.
Una say rape. This papa na dey big house.
Rape you. You go police.
We go police. No make sure.
Hey, I like you give me 10 million. I like you give me 10 million.
You see the problem when you go for.
I like go give them money. You go not say today yes I not to the same. The parents so can. The mommy not ready. Don't go. I like you give me 10 million. I like you give. Hey, Simon.
Yes.
How you doing?
Fine.
How the body?
Well,
I don't turn anything bad. I look for one lady that they are on this side, get big waist. The other one is
Jane.
yeah, Jane.
A small sister.
It's I want to thank you. I don't feel sister thing. Don't turn anything bad.
Yeah.
I want your sister. I let your sister. I want to serious.
You want me sister?
Yes. But when I believe something, let me say I mean serious. You are oldest. And I forgot what time. If you help me with your sister now, anything you want, I give. Anything you want, just tell me no matter.
Sabo wait. You know say you pass me.
Yes, I know me.
And I'm picking my small sister.
Oh, that's about education. I don't say it's more sister.
And at 16 years of age, mean underage.
Sam, your uncle Kuba na fine for it.
But Simon, what do you mean my uncle Kuba na fine for it?
Sir, calm down.
What do you crazy? You are ruining my sister in future. You don't know say they go school.
Sam,
Why you can't tell me say your uncle Kuba na fine for it? That concuba they go broke na mouth.
Sam.
What kind of nonsense is? You don't see that happy? I want to left here. Me not to them brother they know. Me not to them brother when they go and give 10,000 for the sister. I don't mix for the nonsense.
Sir, they make now so.
They move, they go. Party man, they go.
Sam, go easy.
I said they go. But you all call police for you. You know they move.
Sam.
What kind of nonsense is?
Give me that 10,000.
This. I say to forget about time. Now for only big full talk they don't talk now. So left they go now.
Sam, go easy.
I said they move.
Sam, go easy.
Party man, wait. The station not far from here. I dey grip you just go. What kind of nonsense is this? You can be big man like this. You big pass me so. They want like you can use me for getting your small sister. Then tomorrow they begin saying more than I sell her. What kind of nonsense is this?
Now wetin this? Now wetin dey happen? Una dey put bondo?
Na bondo now we put.
But una self but una no dey try bo. Bondo you never put pikin bondo, but you know 18 years yet. Look like small pikin here. Now una don deep garden for let them go school. Now una don come put sand bush. Wetin una do so no fine.
This side dey see so. We meet two people that dey put this bondo. We self we don born we don pikin. We dey put them bondo back.
No. Today now no so the same. We for change the system. You know for tell me say wetin dey happen today? If for happen right now. No, we want for change this. This no nice. This not even nice. We not for let them begin and let them go. Una never put small bikini na bondo. But you know nice. In fact, we all never put stop to this. Hey pikin, campus, can go almost scatter. Una go, on my left here. Yes, una go, on my left here. Una came go na the high court. This never happen. Now the deprive you got bikini too much. This never happen at the council.
Hey, this country number there for to me. Odiba, me when I don't want see me answer today pa bondo. No more me put bondo, me picking and suffer go me grand picking and say no go ever go bondo again. No. Bondo down.
Step away from me and come today.
I tell me sister, hey, that kind of disgrace, I no go serve food here.
Hands off our gas! Who you and? You lie! But small picking them!
This message they come up from the president in West, Fatima Biyo.
Hands off our gas! Who you and? You lie! But small picking them! This message they come up from Sarah Network Production.
Jellica. 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 What's up? Okay, you go come with me. Who's that come out?
Come on, get water.
Eh? Today I don't carry this so say come on go. Who's that come out?
Put them boku na the bomb.
What man no go sell in the pay?
You know give me money, Amy.
I not give money.
Amy.
I not give money. I not give money. Ah? I not give money. Ah? I not give money. Ah? I not give money. Nonsense. Take the salad go inside. Take the salad. Take a look inside. Take a.
Wait for me.
Pass go inside. Let go.
Amy.
Let go inside. Let go. Take it back. Take it back. Nonsense. Let go inside.
Amy.
Let go.
Why?
Let go.
You wait that one.
Let go. Nonsense. Now my business you go to
No, I can't go.
I'm ready for rubbish. Fast. 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 Let go. You don't take the one. You don't take her. Let go. Fast. Nonsense. At the same thing. I'm going to marry for nonsense. Go inside. Go chop on my supposed to say, and I go be sure I can live in a village. I go marry the church in a town. Now, go inside that. You don't understand? Chop on my salad. Go take me against like it. Let's say, give me that sack back. Give me a back. Give me a back. Go take for me against like it. Nonsense. I say, Jellica, how do this?
Look at it come.
What is you? Look at this for me. Foolish. This small soup, you go tell me you don't put soup.
The pikin and get food.
Look at this now. Who's speaking about what you say, picky? You don't cook fish.
You don't give me complete.
Eh? I'm not giving you what?
You don't give me complete money.
Now you go eat am. Me na and at least now you go. You don't cook fish? Ah! No, you don't cook fish. You don't cook fish. Look, go back here, Leno.
Don't tell you, don't go for.
For na better thing, na 7 for go this net. They don't find. This I go marry now for rubbish. What's the cry for?
I'm not tired.
Laugh. 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 What's if this I go marry you? Laugh. What's the cry for? Smile. Smile. Say nonsense. Rubbish. What's the cry for? Let me cry.
Jellica, when you come up play, your body been fine, so you waste all the cap now look by Bobby all over.
If they allow them, they beat size na me.
Me on CD.
You dey beat me na meals. Eh? I need take her. Chris. Eh?
And check and turn on lotto paper. They play a morning, play a something, play an.
The way Netsky do me if na me CD. When see Netsky when me skate tight me to assist. I take me belt up a locker.
Okay, fine. Jellica, how many times I want to say I not so party them? These 3 are not married, not born.
My business.
This when a man go man can I girl.
Big man, big fool.
Okay, I'm not big man, big fool. I'm gonna show you say this time married now.
Are you business?
Jellica, I go deal with you. That's a girl. Man go man can. You are me girl. Okay, I go pull am. Logo. Who that call you so? Who that call you? You dey talk? You dey talk? Can I force back? I keep. You dey talk? You dey talk? Sit back here. You dey talk? Who that call you? Sit man. What's happening? I dey beat this man so. Na mama dey catch her. No. Come on, come on. Not to so big time. Steady. Jellica, I for the picking officer. I'm in mine now. Go.
Go with your station, you go talk now.
Go. Jellica.
You get in mind for come back to me. Point of correction. Not call me Jellica, me Navarro. After we treat me like animal, you don't deserve life. You don't deserve freedom. With all what you do me. Me a woman, I deserve a happy family, a good husband, not like you. Man don't kind of me life. Will give me happiness. Look, woman. Look. We are good looking.
Stop it.
Again, man. If you mistake, you getting caught for kind of me us. After you don't teach me.
Left here. I said left here. Come here.
Mama, I don't let me lunch. I don't go class. Mama, you like that? Hey. Yes, sir. Hey. Kick you again.
Mama, now you the courage be careful to get this skyway for go class.
Yes.
I don't go get panat to this guy be senior. If you talk to me, I slap you. I slap you.
Big sis. You know me say because I dress to man for go yarn me or man for go rape me. Me dressing na me choice.
Now you choice, but you dey tempted for let them rape you.
Big sis. A class they go today Saturday na Saturday kicking, yeah?
I don't know go rape you because you don't show yourself out.
But me dressing na me choice.
When me dress so, Iban.
No, you want
why you not for this so?
Mama tell her say no dey na this.
No dey
One
for
for get freedom for dress, one for dress. No dey. Because I dress no man for go rape me, yeah? No dey for that.
But not blame you, na mama na blame. And they encourage you for rubbish.
You know, Granny.
Yes. Blame you one.
Na me bana, I encourage her. Why lunch? Yeah, mama. Hey, they kicking.
For the reward to ma.
I'm going to granny.
Don't go away.
I don't want to be late for.
I'm here today. The mommy. What's that you go?
I dey go for class.
You dey go for class, you get like so. Have you seen our they go take my kitchen set?
Boy, you say fit guy. I know go call family name. Then Uma for dress decent. You know go for class, you wear the calf 15 there. Now they cause rape. But we can say you can't change bo.
Don't you want to talk? I'll make a condom for you. If you say my mother they suffer the men, if you say na crazy for me, like big leg and you go cover her.
Young girl, how they do?
Yes, ma, they do fine.
Now so Uma for dress. You go class, you wear Africana for that matter. And intelligently. No go they allow they wear half where you are. Where party they wear half where you not to no more than they see. Now you also. Yeri.
Okay, ma, I will talk to her.
When you tell someone I don't want to not late. Not a problem. Now, if I talk, make you go a long till the cover for that. Not a problem. And because the way you dress make you not come to me for lunch, eh? Then you mistake your boyfriend and still because they suffer so. Now for you they suffer for the long remote. Come on time, oh. Come on time. I love you. Sorry, suffer for nothing.
Come on.
No go.
Navarro, you see one thing you want you need to listen to what the person they say. I don't tell you several times already. They come on and us. We learn something. We learn a short thing. They will come on. Police system no saying this will they pan. You need to listen to person what the person they tell you. Forget me game. Yeah, now you game me. Okay, they call it for follow me say. Because normally you sister talk say me a bad party for you. You know you even go. What are you going now? You got me pass. You know what's hey? Don't make up with I go. I want to keep praying. The sister, you think that I will lead the pass. So now church are I keep big. You could be guest. You could be guest. Daddy, what? It was half thing. I want to tell you, man. What I want to class today, Mr. Bangura.
And say if you don't go sexy lecture, I didn't kill.
But you don't know that's what's in the happen at college. You don't know. The sister don't know.
Me don't cack me me stop. I dey enter for some sort of game.
I didn't wash your body, sister.
Don't let me cook there. That makes me face fine. See me. In excess.
I look
Beautiful.
anyway. Scarf for yourself. Anyway, I do want.
Say me na rasta baby, I no fit go. That paint to the main business.
Are you okay, baby? Watch.
Baby, get game bo.
Left is.
This is just a short guide as to what you'll be seeing on Monday. On Monday, you need to take my exam, and I expect you to go home, study, prepare yourself, and come for my exam. It's going to be as usual, nothing strange, nothing new. It's going to be as usual. So go home, prepare yourself, come for my exam on Monday. So, see you on Monday.
Mr. Bangura, how is it for that? Okay.
You know, sir, about meet me.
Pass. I want it only be my class.
Wait, don't. Now me don't make you pass. I'm not a teacher. But that boys have a you can't force.
I don't want to do it.
No. When you say we don't want to do it, we do out. We do joy. Joy, you go can't force, man. Look, yeah. If you tell us you fail, then you die. This is a secret. Not tell nobody. Keep us here. Go. Go fast. Go fast.
What's happening? Where do I come from? You food that. You will left with us, so my sister they cook. You cannot. You know even to you lucky food. What's happening? Tell me the truth. What's happening? Mr. Eti! Hey! Sister! For what? Say, you talk.
Saturday I go class. Then call me. Say make I go na go Sunday 6 o'clock for go give me guidelines.
For what give you guidelines? Sister! Sister, come! 24 when you don't study now, so me they don't only work now. Sister, don't give me you do not for me. I care. Wait. How many lessons feed all us? Where? What's happening? Then why you call me now? What's happening? Make I talk for you. Sister, ask him. Wait. Okay, watch for sense, ma'am. You need to talk. You need to talk. What's happening?
Mr. Bangu, I know they don't feel.
Mr. Bangu, I know with you. Who's I go meet her?
Make I go meet her like us.
Nine us? You don't forget that school, you go nine us? I'm okay. Come to somebody, they tell me that you're working now. You need to do nothing.
Wow, Folambo is sweet. They get financial pay. And they get sexual pay.
Mr. Banks.
Baby, you look sexy.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. What's in the apple?
Left to you.
Thank you. Mr. Bangu, I know say that last time I will pass.
You pass this trip, you don't be made final last time.
Okay, I won't come.
Well, long, I make a final.
Mr. B!
Allah.
What do you
Mr. Bangu.
What's this? Big officer arrested!
Well,
Of course, a teacher.
Inspector Cabo from the CID department. You're under arrest.
What? I don't do things like this. I'm a teacher, a whole teacher.
Useless teacher. Who say you come out?
You know what into this man?
You know?
You know what into this
My
man?
people.
Me not a student.
You're a student.
Yes, people.
This is a clear evidence for you, sir, Mr.
Now look at
You are under arrest.
Useless
You know what
teacher.
into this man?
I'm a teacher.
They're my people.
This is a clear evidence from you, sir.
What is
Mr.
it?
Handsome, you're under arrest.
What?
Yes, sir.
I don't do things like this.
Anything you say or do will be used.
I go make sure say you go to jail.
They're my children. I don't do things like this.
Officer, please. This is not a case where the joke was right now in a salon.
Yeah.
And this, thank God, the president don't pass
Now watch me. Now watch me.
the state of emergency say anybody will rape if I go life imprisonment. So this is like clear example. The beginning of the school, and not feel to say now also no more. Even the school, we dey go and check in. There we go.
Mr. Babu, I know it's a let it not deal with her. Let it not deal with her.
That's where what I'm under.
Example.
So
all we
this
then
is so.
teacher them. You become teach that you picking not time with time. No use her as you sex mate. Make it stop you for pass. Make it only enough for you for pass. See me now, I dey go jail. I dey go jail.
And then they go wait.
I dey go jail.
Not so it forbid. This message dey comot from the First Lady, Mrs. Fatima Bio.